Bitcoin ETF countdown. SEC's Decisive December deadline. Here's the latest. Last updated December 27, 2023, 2:59 EST. 2min re-disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The crypto community is on edge as the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) approaches a crucial deadline for potential approval of a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF. The decision, scheduled for January 10, 2024, could mark a substantial entry for Bitcoin into traditional finance, although some have worried that it also paves the way for increased centralization. December 29 deadline. Already, the SEC has reportedly set a deadline of December 29, 2023 for companies seeking to launch spot Bitcoin ETFs to finalize their applications. As has been widely reported in recent weeks and months, notable firms like BlackRock, Grayscale Investments, ARK Investments, and 21 Shares have engaged in discussions with the SEC, signaling widespread industry anticipation. The December 29 deadline was confirmed by Fox Business reporter Eleanor Terrett in an X post on December 24, where she wrote that only the ETF applications that are fully finished and filed by that date will be considered for approval, confirming the date for final amendments to all S1s by Friday the 29th. That SEC Gov has told issuers that applications that are fully finished and filed by Friday will be considered in the first wave. Anyone who is not will not be considered. In addition, the filings cannot https://t co/CNUNBI. Eleanor Terrett at Eleanor Terrett December 24, 2023 will multiple ETFs be approved at once. Anticipation and speculation surround the possibility of the SEC approving multiple spot Bitcoin ETF applications collectively before the January deadline. The expectation that the SEC will approve several applications at the same time has been shared repeatedly by analysts, including Bloomberg Intelligence's ARK Investments. As recently as on Wednesday this week, Balchunas said that the SEC is ready to approve spot Bitcoin ETFs and that there is now a mad scramble behind the scenes at ETF issuers to finalize their applications. Only ETF applicants who have finalized their applications by December 29 will be considered for the crucial first tranche of the race, he wrote. New one from me today on how just making it to the starting gate is half the battle for ETF issuers in the Cointiki Derby. It's the race before the race, currently a mad scramble behind scenes to get signed AP agreements, a critical but not easy last step. Pick Twitter.com/if58kqthcv. Eric Balchunas at Eric Balchunas December 27, 2023 cash redemption model. The involvement of major Wall Street players and the potential accessibility of Bitcoin ETFs for financial advisors and money managers have heightened excitement around the expected ETF approvals. However, challenges remain, with the SEC favoring cash redemption models over in-kind redemptions posing hurdles for some ETF filers. The need to name authorized participants (AP) is another final requirement, and the absence of an AP agreement has been noted for spot Bitcoin ETF applicants by December 22. Latest snapshot of the ETF. Cointiki Derby W new column for AP agreement as SEC wants AP, who is also underwriter, named in next S1 update coming in next 10 days. This is no easy last step and may keep some from starting gate. AP agreement plus cash creates equals approval at JSafe. Pick Twitter.com/EIQUBLN. Eric Balchunas at Eric Balchunas December 22, 2023 still. Market sentiment is notably optimistic, reflected in significant gains for Bitcoin in anticipation of potential ETF approval. For investors, SEC approval could mean enhanced accessibility to Bitcoin without the complexities of managing wallets and private keys. This ease of access might attract increased institutional and retail investment to the digital asset market. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg. co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.